Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to automatically create Trello card when new PipeDrive deal is added to a stage. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser and search for Zapier here like this. Just go to zapier.com. so this is an AI or whatever you want to call it. It's a website that will automate your tasks. So it's a paid website, but you can get started for free. So once you have done that, you just have to search for PipeDrive, Zapier, and you just have to integrate PipeDrive to your Zapier account and set it up with your Trello board. And that's how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching. Before I end this video, I just want to tell you guys that this is a paid website so you can get started for free. However, you might be asked to pay for certain features on this website. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Peace.